Okay, no start update on the Chevy. We pulled the fuel tank out, and the interesting part that I found was that this rubber piece, it goes from the pump to the sending unit. This sits between them. This is turned to like Jello almost. It's rubber, but it's terribly gummy, and I found some gunk in the fuel line, so I've since cleaned that all out and repainted this, and it's going back in. But there's the update for this thing. And with the fresh pump installed, it runs good.